What's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tech Flip. So in this episode of Tech Flip, we are going to know what are the top 5 uses of this TOF sensor. If you are following technology, then you may know that TOF sensor is becoming popular and in 2020 it is going to be one of the most important thing on your mobile devices. Alright, so TOF sensor is becoming very popular these days because TOF sensor can do a hell lot of things, and that is the reason different companies are using these TOF sensors on their mobile devices. But the thing is, they are just changing the name. Like Apple is using the TOF sensor on their iPad Pro 2020, but they are calling it a LiDAR sensor. Basically that means light detection sensor, but the thing they can do same things, 100% same things, but they are just calling with different names, brand purposes, maybe that is the main reasons. Alright, so let's see what are the top 5 uses of this TOF sensor, as it is going to be really beneficial for every single users with these TOF sensors. Let's talk about the number one thing that a TOF sensor can do is distance measurement. It can detect how far a subject or an object is from your camera. The fun part is it can do the same things in the night also, and that is the reason it is really powerful. Alright, the number 2 is object detection. So it can detect if there is a person, if there is a pet, if there is a camera maybe in front of you guys. Like I have my camera in front of me, and if I put my camera like this, then my camera can understand there is another DSLR. So basically TOF sensor is super powerful. It can understand what is in front of you guys, what is at your back. So it can just basically understand the objects, like what is it, it's a pet, it's a human, it's a camera, or it's a tree maybe, it's a suits, maybe it's a pant, shirts, jacket. Like it can be anything, and with the help of TOF or the LiDAR sensors, it can basically understand it very easily. Alright, the number 3 use of this TOF sensor is better night mode photos. As you already know that the TOF sensor can be used at night time, and that is the reason you can use it at night and you can get much more better night photos, because it can throw some infrared lights. Even it's at dark part, it can throw some infrared light, and by throwing some infrared light it can capture what is the scene in front of your camera, and with the help of processing it can show some better result than your regular camera that you use these days. So you can get better night mode photos with the help of this TOF sensor. And the number 4 thing is you can get better augmented reality or the AR stuffs with the help of this LiDAR sensor, as it can detect the surface very easily, it can detect the scene very easily. That is the reason you can use augmented reality stuffs like emoji cartoons, 3D depth mapping, and things like that you can do with the help of these TOF sensors. And because of having better understanding of what is in front of the camera, it can do or produce much better quality of the surface, and you can put any emoji things, any 3D augmented reality things. Like you can see some examples, the iPad Pro 2020 can do this kind of stuff, and it is huge and crazy, and it is going to be very essential things in 2020 and even in 2021. So take that on mind. And the number 5 thing is 3D photography. You can see on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you have 3D photography, and that is the reason you can capture someone's face or body and make it a 3D photo. So it is really cool that you can scan someone and after that you can get 3D photo. In future, I am thinking that they will produce some applications with the help of those. You may be able to animate all those 3D photos, so that will be really cool. So those are the top 5 things you can do with the TOF sensor. And if you like any of those top 5 things, then you should definitely consider a TOF sensor or a time of flight sensor. Alright, if you guys really enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and if you have something on your mind, then be sure to comment down. Anyway, goodbye.